Hello everyone, this is Chris from Spoon Graphics with a quick product demonstration for my new retro 80s cover art textures. These textures help you replicate the appearance of old damaged VHS boxes, album covers, game boxes and book covers to create your own retro style artwork. All you have to do is place these textures over your artwork to make the design look like it's been stored in your basement since the 80s, adding the kinds of creases and damage that were inflicted to old video cassettes and computer game boxes from decades of wear and tear. The pack includes 15 textures plus 6 example designs showing how the textures can be used. You can download a free sample that includes one of the example designs in PSD format, plus the associated texture that I used to give it the old book cover look. Here's a fun fact: the idea for this product came from one of my dad's old books, a paperback novel of the 1979 movie Alien, which is now showing its age with all kinds of creases and folds. This space-themed artwork features the fictional planet LV-426, which fans of the Alien franchise might recognise as the planet from the movie, so I figured it would be a fitting design to use in this demo, given the inspiration behind these textures. So to see how you can use these cover art textures, open up the LV-426 PSD and VHS Book 3 JPEG in Photoshop. These textures will work in any image editing software, but the example designs are made specifically for Adobe Photoshop. If you're a user of Affinity, Corel Draw or other apps, you can still follow along with this guide but with your own artwork. Delete the existing texture layer from the LV-426 artwork, since that's what we'll be recreating in this guide. With the texture file active, go to Select and All. Go to Edit and Copy, then close the document and paste the texture onto a new layer above the artwork. These textures are pretty large, so you might have to scale it down to fit. Use the shortcut Command and T for transform or Control and T on Windows. In my original example, I actually cropped off the edges from this texture, so the creases just creep into the design rather than produce a thick border. Change this layer's blending mode to screen to hide the black background and apply the creases to the artwork. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you pick up the full pack and have fun using these textures to create your own retro style artwork.